Alright, lifers. It's check day 3. I have a feeling it's going to be a funny one. Me and Cornbread will bring you the catches here in a minute. I think we're about done with this job. I don't know how well y'all can see that, but I promise you, you beaver trappers up north ain't never seen no crap like that. I've been to county fairs and goat hunting. I've caught armadillos, but not in no water crossing. What do you think about that, Cornbread?
I don't know, I ain't never seen that like this. We gonna eat good tonight.
I have us some possum on the half shell.
Oh God, I ain't never seen that. Hey, it's smack.
One more time. You ready?
Yeah.
Alright.
We gonna eat good tonight.
Get that possum on the half shell. And that river wolf. That old river wolf got nuts on him about like I do. Cornbread, tell them about the catch we had today.
The armadillo? That's a first.
I've caught them on purpose, but never on accident in a water set. Never. Caught a bunch of coons, bunch of other stuff. Never armadillo. I didn't even know they could swim. I really didn't. But apparently they're pretty good swimmers. We're chasing one more beaver out here, y'all. And his old lady and kid might have left and he might have left, I don't know. We're gonna pull a bunch of water off here where if he wants to be some water on him, he got to come fix it. If he does, he's gonna get slammed in the head. We really need to be able to bust one more down, but it don't do any good because there's a pond dam up against it now. A real pond. So, we might be done with this job. Probably Saturday we will be done with this job. And it turned out to be more of an exotic job than a beaver job. Alright, sports fans and lifers all over the world. I've caught otters. I understand the otter. But y'all explain to me that right there. We know how it happened, why it happened, but if I hadn't have seen it happen, I would never believed it. There's a crossing where we got that body grip set, that conibear, from one side of the creek to the other. We just assumed it was just beaver walking up and down it. Well, evidently old Mr. Armadillo had been using it too. He won't never again, but he had been. Second otter on the job. It's the 3rd check day. Hadn't had a beaver since the 1st check day. Not seeing any fresh workings. Might have just been 2 in here, but I don't see it. Men on Cornbread, we might not be good at anything, but we are entertaining. I promise y'all we're entertained today. Yay. I'm leaving this one unset, people. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. Now, we done caught everything but a beaver in this trap. That's the only one that had anything in it. big old coon. Big boar. Worth absolutely nothing to me. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Alright, y'all know what to do. Like, share, subscribe, and I'm gone.